Welcome to Cut Corners Construction, where we cut the corners
so you don't have to.
So Chris, I want to tell you about a brand new product that's on the market. It is the 113 FLR Easy Shear by Bullet Tools. It's specifically for laminate floor cutting, but it can also cut a number of other products.
Well, what's wrong with using this right here?
Holy, that was close. So Chris, you just showed many of the reasons right there why I would recommend this over a miter saw. First, you don't need electricity. Second, you don't need ear protection. Third, you don't need eye protection. This is not only a laminate floor cutter, this is also a fiber cement cutter. If it was me and I was gonna do a laminate floor, I would use this sitting on the floor with me, and you can cut as you go.
Right.
If you want to be able to use it with the stand, what you can do is you can buy these mounting brackets that Bullet Tools offers separately.
Yeah.
Okay, and when you mount this to the stand, this becomes a great cutter for fiber cement siding. Oh, gosh, that was close.
I guess I don't need these anymore. So these support arms extend out.
Yep, they come out and you can also adjust them up and down. But if you're going to be cutting fiber cement siding with this setup, I would recommend something like this.
To help support the end of the board.
Another really cool feature about this, Chris, is no dust. You know, when you're cutting laminate or fiber cement siding, there's a lot of dust that's produced and there's a lot of chemicals in that dust.
Yeah, so it's going to save your lungs.
I can pick this thing up, it's got a handle on it, I can go wherever I want to go with this.
Wow, yeah, that is life. Okay, I'm interested. I like what I'm seeing. Let's give it a try, shall we? Wow, that was pretty easy.
Yeah. Hardy plank, it's a fiber cement siding cut.
Man, did that ever cut easy? Very, very nice. Here are some of the key features of the Easy Shear by Bullet Tools.
The Easy Shear produces no dust, so when you work inside, it's easy to clean up.
The Easy Shear produces no noise, so you can work early or late.
The Easy Shear uses no electricity, so you can set up anywhere, and it's environmentally friendly.
The Easy Shear is mobile and light. Save time and cut where you're working.
According to the manufacturer, one Easy Shear blade will outlast over 20 saw blades, saving you a pile of money.
The Easy Shear has an aluminum double F-beam construction, making it lightweight and strong.
The Easy Shear has a built-in ruler and movable fence, enabling it to make 90-degree and 45-degree cuts.
The Easy Shear comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Don't forget to check out our website at lugnutfilms.com.
Also find us on Facebook and Twitter. The next clip you're about to see is an entire room where Chris and I laid down laminate flooring using the Bullet Tools Easy Shear. This is Cut Corners Construction, where we cut the corners
so you don't have to.